and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you how I got this Halloween makeup, and this is inspired by the movie Chucky. So if you want to see how I got this exact look, make sure you keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and just stay tuned for all the details on how I got this look. So thank you guys for tuning in to another video, and I just included a clip of the so as always, we're gonna get straight into the video. And what I did do first before I started this video, I did do my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to be adding some orange eyeshadow to my eyelid. And I did prime my eyes also before I started to add my eyeshadow to my eyes. I did use a BH Cosmetics palette for this orange, and it was about 3 orange colors, and I mixed them all together, and I was just trying to build the coverage up so I can get that orange color that I was really going for, which was kind of like a burnt orange. I didn't like how that was turning out, so I did use my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I did go in it with that orange color on top as well, because again, I was trying to build that color to a dark shade to a dark orange. I am gonna blend that all the way up and blend it all the way through. So after that, I did add my white eyeliner pencil under my eye. And I did add some of that orange shade underneath my eye as well. So now I'm starting on the other eye, and on that eyelid I'm going to be going in with my black eyeshadow. And I really wanted this eye to be really dark and mimic kind of like a black eye. So I did add a lot of black eyeshadow, and I did build up the color and add multiple layers because I wanted it to be really dark. And make sure that you blend. As you can see, it's getting darker as I'm adding multiple layers. And I did go ahead and add some black eyeshadow to my under eye as well to create that black eye dark effect. And I'm blending that in, building that coverage up. Adding more layers so it can be a lot darker. I am using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation for this look, and off camera I did lotion and prime my face before this, so I'm going to be adding that foundation all over my face. And what I'm going to be using to blend my foundation is I'm going to be using this beauty blender to just blend that coverage all into my skin. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to add my concealer, and I'm going to be adding this concealer as a highlight. So I'm going to highlight my forehead and under eyes and my chin area. And blending that in with my beauty blender sponge. So after that, I did take my black eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to use this black eyebrow pencil to create the cuts and scratches and scars on this makeup look, as Chucky's face is all scratched up and scarred up and open wound. So I wanted to create that look with this black eyeshadow, so I'm just using this black eyebrow pencil, to create the lines, the base for my cuts for this look. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my brush, and I'm going to be going over each line, and I'm going to be smudging those lines. I'm not trying to blend the lines in, I'm just trying to smudge them so they're not they don't look like straight lines. It looks more of like a smudged line to give the effect that I was going for, which is the cuts or scrapes. So I'm going over every line. Don't blend it in, just smudge it out. I did go on in with a little bit more. So now I'm going to be using my red eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to line the left and right of each black line that I created for the base of my cuts. And I'm going to be outlining with the red eyebrow pencil because I wanted to make it seem as the red pencil represents the blood or like a fresh cut. So that's why I added these on the lines as well. It is sped up for time purposes, this video, because it's really, you know, tedious and just doing the same thing. So I did speed it up. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my black face paint, and all of the lines that I created first with the black eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be going over the black line only with the black face paint. And the reason why I did this because I really wanted those black lines to stand out more. I just used the black eyebrow pencil to create my base, but this black paint is going to make these lines stand out even more. I was thinking about using a liquid liner, but I thought this might work as well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking that same face paint and I'm going to be creating lines going across the lines that I made on the face, and this is going to represent the stitches that Chucky has on his face. So there are some lines that I did leave blank and I didn't add the stitches effect to it because I just wanted those to be just plain and just look like a scratch. But the other ones I did add the lines, I wanted those to look like stitches. This side was pretty plain, so I did decide to add some effect on this side as well. I started with my black eyebrow pencil and then outlined it with the red. If you got this far in the video, I would like to thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this creation of my Chucky. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and connect with me on my other social media platforms. Thank you for watching this video, and go check out some more of my videos on my channel as well. Hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.